3 signs your lack of motivation is actually a lack of discipline. 3, you're an all or nothing type of person, meaning you only want to work out when you can go all out. So you don't feel motivated when you don't have the time or energy to go full throttle. You think it's a lack of motivation because you're not feeling the vibes inside, but truly it's a lack of discipline to do the little tedious things daily. You gotta understand that there are some days that some workouts are not gonna be as fun and high energy. It doesn't have to be all or nothing. Your fitness journey doesn't have to be this grand thing all the time. Be disciplined to do the little things. 2, you're not comfortable with discomfort. I mean, who is, right? But you need to start getting out of your comfort zone, as cliche as it may sound. I know you do get out of your comfort zone from time to time, but you only do it when you're motivated, right? Try getting uncomfortable a bit more often, whatever that might be. Maybe it's getting up a bit earlier just to work out, or maybe it's trying new healthy foods that you've never tried before. But you need the discipline to do this and not motivation, because motivation comes and goes and you'll never know when it will arrive. It's easy to get out of your comfort zone when you're motivated. It's really hard when you're not. So discipline. Number 1, you're not treating your health as a priority right now, so you're only working out when you're motivated. You're prioritizing other things in life like work, friends, family, your business. Those other responsibilities are a higher priority to you, so health and fitness ranks a bit lower on your top scale of priority. That's okay, that's normal, that's life. Life happens. There are other things that are as important, but your health is equally as important. Your job, your career path needs you to be healthy. Your family needs you to be healthy. You need yourself to be healthy. It all goes hand in hand. You need to stay disciplined to keep it as a top priority, not only when you're motivated to do so. All these things I mentioned is normal. We're all human. I do this as well, but I hope it changes your perspective a little. Let's all stay disciplined together. We got this.